It simply has been work, trying to get a team back in place. As you know, the untimely passing of our city administrator, we have to ensure that we get our finance director in place. We have to ensure that we get our internal auditor in place. We have to ensure that we get all the other vacancies filled. It's only so when you have those vacancies filled that you are able to really drive change and drive development in your city. Once we get those vacancies filled, and we are certain of the plan, how we go about that, then we don't have no issue, Isan, no issue at all. I am confident that come at our caucus, our councillors will ensure that we get the job of the people done.